Oh my. Okay, here we go. Walking into the 38 BHDS. Immediately we are greeted with a very nice TV here up on a swivel. Up front, 4 bunks. There's a sliding door for the patio doors. Extra TV here for the kids. There is your solar panel controller. Storage. Yep. Of course, this sofa does convert into a bed. We get a huge U-shaped dinette with a freestanding table. You can actually fold up that table, bring it outside, and of course that does convert into a bed as well. Dual stainless steel sinks. We got a Furrion oven, 3-burner stove, high point microwave. Love the skylight here in the kitchen area. Nice and bright. Residential style fridge and freezer. Let's keep going. Bathroom up next. It does separate both the living section and the master bed out back. We do have a medicine cabinet, porcelain toilet. What is this? Water pressure, and okay. I'm gonna adjust the water pressure, I guess. Another skylight here. All right, master bedroom up next. Awesome. Somebody forgot to make the bed. We'll get them. All right, window out back. King size bed on this slide out. That mattress. Yeah, that's definitely an upgrade. And in the master bedroom, we got another TV. Love that Jayco has woodwork all the way around their windows. Nice window valances here. Okay, guys. If you like what you see and you'd like to take a closer look, please give one of our friendly sales staff a call. Book your appointment. They will get this coach opened up for you. We'll get it lit up and ready for show. And who knows? Maybe you'll just take it home. Bye for now.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.